Sabi ni Robbie, hello, Robbie. Coach, good morning. Pag ba naka-low carb, okay lang na di nabilangin ang calories? Again, there are very few people who should count calories. Counting calories isn't really something that we have to do. Generally speaking, 90+% of the human population should not even bother stressing yourself na magbilang ng calories. Only competitive bodybuilders and other athletes are advised to count calories. Pero tayo na mga mere mortals, tayong mga simpleng mamamayan, tayong mga hindi naman competitive athletes, iilan lang naman yung mga iniidolo natin at mga nag-aspire maging